Here I am looking for a multi-purpose solution to social distancing for my kiosk. And I would like to share with you that this involves going into the Ikea store because low costs, right? And look at what we have here, a line for the Ikea store with all these lovely umbrellas. I wonder if they have been wiped before they were issued. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to stand in line in order to go to Ikea. And there we go. Hey.
We were going to drive to Costa Mesa.
Today is the first day that they opened.
They might do the click and collect.
The umbrella guy. I think I just have to... The view from inside the Ikea umbrella. It says Ikea right there.